those plants? They were gonna be used for Whizzy time. Oh! There they are! I just gotta pick it up. Oh, pick it up. Oh. Yeah, that's a big plant. It's gonna be perfect for Whizzy time. Oh! Hey, friends! I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready for Whizzy time? I am too. But before we get started, we gotta sing the Whizzy song. Are you ready for the Whizzy song? All right. It's Whizzy time. It's Whizzy time with Miss Whizzy. Yeah! All right, today we're gonna talk about plants. And we're gonna talk about how we can grow our own. Wow! So let's go to the lab and put the plant there. All right, we'll see you there. It's really heavy. To the lab we should go. All right, let's go to the lab. Just a little bit further. That was really heavy. Yeah. So now that we got it to the lab, it's time to talk about it. What do you think this is? It's green and it has a pot and it's really tall and it's long and skinny leaves and they're kind of pointy. Oh, ow! Yeah, what could that be? Do you know what it is? Yeah, it's a plant, isn't it? But do you know what kind of plant it is? Yeah, it's called a snake plant. And the reason why it's called a snake plant is because of the pattern of the leaves. If you look at the pattern of the leaves, they have different shapes and different sizes of green and light green. Isn't that cool? The different patterns look just like a snake. Raise your hand if you think we should trim it. I do. We need to trim this. I do. What about you guys? Yeah. And did you know that if we trim this, we can propagate it? Yeah. So let's talk about that. Let's cut this leaf right here. There he is. And let's cut this one right here. There he is. And maybe we should cut this one right here. Should we cut that one up too? Or cut that one too? There it is. And what about this one? He's a little long. There he is. Alrighty, now that we have a couple plants that are trimmed. Oh, should we cut that one too? Okay. There he is. Now that we have a couple plants that are trimmed, here they are. Whoa, whoa. We can propagate them. So let's propagate these plants. What did you say? Did you say what I think you said? Did you say it's experiment time and we need to sing the song? You're so right. You're so smart. We gotta sing the experiment song. Okay, everyone, get ready with me. Experiments are fun and science is for everyone. It's experiment time. It's experiment time. It's experiment time. And I, Miss Whizzy, loves experiments. Now that we're ready, we cut these really long leaves. And they look just like a snake pattern. Now we should probably cut them a little bit shorter because they're really long. So let's go ahead and do it. There we go. And if you want to do another one, let's do it. Ready? There we go. Alrighty. Now that we have shorter pieces like this, we can then get it and water. Let's get the water. So here is some water. And now that we cut it nice and short, we can put it in here and put it next to sunlight. Once we're done, then we should be able to see it grow. Maybe if we take a nap, it will grow really fast. Should we take a nap? Yeah, let's do it. I had a dream. I had a dream that our plant grew. Do you think it's time? Yeah, let's look. So all we need to do is pull it up. Wow! Look at it. There's roots. That means that these are ready to be planted in the soil. So what we did is we cut this, and when we cut it, we put it into water, we put it next to sunlight, and then it grew. Wow, look at how much it grew. Do you guys know what this is called? You're right, it's called plant propagation. Plant propagation is when you take it from a really big plant, you cut it, and then you put it in water and it starts growing. Wow, do you see those roots? Oh yeah, you're right. Miss Whizzy's wrong. There's other ways you can propagate a plant. Wow, look it. This is a plant propagation too, where you have the mother and then the baby. Mother and the baby. That's called plant propagation too, just like how this is a plant propagation from the mother to the baby. Wow, it's so cool. Now that we have a baby with roots, we can plant it in the dirt. Do you guys want to do that too with our experiment? You do? Yeah! Here's the dirt! Yeah, it's so dirty. And since our baby snake plant has roots, it doesn't like the roots to be shown in the sunlight. So how can we cover up the roots to protect them? You're right! The dirt can protect the roots. If we put the roots inside the dirt and we cover it up, they're protected and you won't be able to see them, and so they'll protect the roots. So let's do it. So we'll put our pot that has some soil already, and then we'll grab some more. We'll put some in here, just like so. Let's do some more. Should we put more? Yeah, we want to put it all over. Alrighty, there we go. Should we put a little bit more? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Alrighty, there we go. We have our baby snake plant, and he's planted and he's protected his roots with the dirt. But now what? Yeah, you're right. We need to put water in it because that's what it needs to drink and become nutritious for it. You're right. So let's get some water and pour some water. Just like that. Good job, guys. So today we had a big mother plant that was really big. We cut it and then we put a new baby one into water. It grew its roots, and then it was so big it was ready to be in the soil. This is called plant propagation. Yeah! Oh, this was so much fun. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Wait. We forgot to do something really important. We forgot to hit the thumbs up right down there. And we forgot to hit the subscribe. The subscribe is so you can see my videos when they first come out. I'm so glad we didn't forget that. Bye. See you next time.